Okay, today we're looking at a 2011 Hyundai Sonata Limited. All right, it's got 115,000 miles on it, midnight black in color. All right, it's got a clean Carfax. They got it marked down to $9,500. All right, go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. It does have the turn signals in the side mirrors. Got the nice chrome door handles with the lock-unlock button. Chrome trim around the windows. It is equipped with sunroof. All right, driver's side of the Sonata is in good shape. We'll make our way across the rear here. All right, it is a limited. Just a few scratches up here on the trunk lid. And going all the way down through here. A little small one right there, but they've been painted over. I just want to point those out to you. All right, with a vehicle with 115,000 miles, some of that's to be expected. All right, you got your lock-unlock button here on the passenger door handle. Same thing for the side mirrors here, turn signal there. All right, once again, it's a 2011. All right, it's a limited Sonata. One more thing I want to point out to you, right here on the hood, just a little bit of a paint chip right there. Maybe a little spotting in the paint right there, but just want to point that out to you. All right, once again, $9,500. They got it marked down. They got it marked down aggressively, price to sale. All right, clean Carfax, 115,000 miles on it. It's got the gray and black door panels, a little fading right here. Power locks, power windows, power mirrors. It does have gray leather seats. All right, driver's seat's in good shape. Just a small little rub right there in the leather. It is a power driver's seat. All right, it does have heated seats. Passenger seat looks like it's in good shape. All right, it is an automatic. It does have a keyless entry key fob. I'm going to give you a shot of that. All right, it is an automatic. It's got auxiliary iPod, USB, and power outlets down there. Dual climate controls, CD player, push button start, leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls, and Bluetooth. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Oh, and you know what? Let me show you one more thing. It does have the sunroof. Okay, I know I showed you an outside shot of it. There's the inside shot. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. 115,669 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, go ahead and show you the display here. Let's dim that down just a bit. There we go. All right, it does have a CD player. It also has this 6-disc CD player, okay? Got your climate control area here, dual climate controls. AC's blowing cold. All right, no problems there. Got the push button start. And then down here, I'll give you another shot. It does have the iPod, USB, auxiliary plug-in, and then your heated seats right there. All right, let's go ahead and take a look in the back. All right, door panels back here look good. Does have rear heated seats. All right, back seat carpet's in good shape. Backseat leather looks good. All right, does have the center console back here that comes down. Got your cup holders there. Go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. All right. Go ahead and take a look at the trunk space. Well, just had to hit the button. I did. So push this button here. Excuse me. All right, just a leaf in here. Let's get that out. Backseat carpet looks good, or trunk carpet looks good. Plenty of space back here. Take a look underneath. All right, got the spare tire there. All right, plenty of space back in the Sonata. Go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. We've got, see what size, 17-inch alloys. All right, brand new set of tires, plenty of tread lift on them. All right, once again, it's a 2011 Hyundai Sonata Limited with 115,000 miles on it. Got a few scratches here and there. All right, but it's an 11 with 115,000 miles. That's to be expected. Okay, but they got it marked down to $9,500. Very aggressively priced, price to sell. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.